In the ever-evolving landscape of online income streams, a worthy ally stands tall: AI. There's a wealth of opportunities hidden within AI-driven tools, and today, we're about to unravel the mystery behind one such powerful tool that holds the key to unlocking substantial earning potential. Stick around as we reveal the mystery AI tool and how it can pave the way to financial success in the digital world of 2023. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to be updated on more innovative methods right here on Pivot Online. Setting up. Begin your journey into the world of online entrepreneurship by establishing your presence on Etsy. Start by creating an Etsy shop, a gateway to showcasing your digital creations and tapping into a thriving marketplace. To initiate this process, sign up for an Etsy account and meticulously craft your shop profile. Take the time to configure essential shop settings, such as defining your shop's name, setting policies, curating an eye-catching banner, and selecting a profile picture that encapsulates your brand essence. These initial steps lay the groundwork for presenting your offerings to potential customers, setting the stage for a successful venture into the digital marketplace of Etsy. Exploring Etsy. Embark on a comprehensive market research expedition within Etsy's domain, diving into the realms of successful shops specializing in printable wall art quotes. Thoroughly scrutinize these high-performing establishments, dissecting their strategies and unraveling the secrets to their success. Delve into the intricacies of these thriving shops to discern the most coveted niches, pinpointing the preferred themes dominating the landscape. Uncover the themes that resonate deeply with customers, exploring the design styles that captivate and enthrall. Through this meticulous analysis, glean insights into the nuances of preferred quotes, thematic trends, and design aesthetics, paving the way for informed decisions and a nuanced understanding of the market's pulse. AI reveal. Now, the mystery AI is Kittl. To embark on your creative journey, access Kittl, a potent resource for your artistic endeavors. Begin by signing up for Kittl or utilizing its free version, granting you access to its suite of tools tailored for content generation. Within Kittl's arsenal, immerse yourself in the AI Quote Generator tool, a versatile feature designed to cater to various niches, be it love, coffee, business, gaming, and more. Engage with this tool to explore a spectrum of themes, enabling you to curate quotes that resonate within your chosen niche. Customize your quest further by selecting the desired tone, whether it's humorous, inspirational, or other emotional nuances. Kittl can do it for you. You can even adjust the length of the quote. Utilize this feature to generate an array of quotes, sifting through the compilation to handpick those that align seamlessly with your vision and captivate your creative sensibilities. AI designs. Unleash your artistic prowess by harnessing Kittl's design functionalities to craft visually enchanting designs that captivate and inspire. Employ Kittl's diverse array of design features or leverage its pre-designed templates as your creative canvas. Delve into the world of typography, experimenting with an assortment of fonts, text layouts, sizes, and vibrant color palettes. Infuse these elements harmoniously to breathe life into your quotes, ensuring they resonate visually with your audience. With Kittl's intuitive tools at your disposal, explore endless design possibilities. Seamlessly blend text and visual elements to curate captivating compositions that not only convey your chosen messages, but also evoke emotions, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. Let your creativity soar as you craft designs that stand out and allure within the competitive landscape of digital art. Kittl's unique feature. Kittl stands out because of one feature: incorporation of your designs into mockups. Optimize your presentation with Kittl's selection of mockup templates tailored for showcasing wall art quotes. Begin by handpicking mockup templates that complement your designs, preferably favoring those with pristine white backgrounds to accentuate the quotes' prominence. Leverage Kittl's seamless integration of mockups to effortlessly embed your meticulously crafted designs into these templates. Harness the tool's intuitive functionalities to merge your quotes into the chosen mockups, ensuring a flawless alignment and harmonious blend within the envisioned setting. Elevate the visual appeal and context of your creations by embracing Kittl's versatility in mockup selection and integration, crafting a polished presentation that entices potential customers, making your wall art quotes stand out in the competitive digital marketplace. Earning mechanism. Your path to earning begins by uploading your meticulously crafted mock-up images as product photos on your Etsy listings. Take the time to curate a compelling visual gallery that showcases the essence of your designs, allowing potential customers to immerse themselves in your wall art quotes. Craft engaging and descriptive titles that vividly portray your designs, accentuating the customization options available and the unique benefits they offer. Thoughtfully articulate the essence of your quotes, enticing buyers with a glimpse into the customization possibilities and the value your designs bring. Once a customer shows interest in your mock-up design and completes a purchase, consider the option of producing physical prints using print-on-demand services such as Printify. Utilize these services to transform your digital designs into tangible artworks, seamlessly fulfilling orders and delivering high-quality prints directly to your customers. Embrace this opportunity to bridge the gap between digital creation and physical merchandise, enhancing the appeal of your wall art quotes and catering to diverse customer preferences. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Optimizing earnings. Boost your earning potential by amplifying customer engagement through customization options. Enrich your offerings by presenting a spectrum of customization features, enticing buyers to tailor their wall art quotes to suit their unique tastes. Highlight a diverse array of customization options, including font choices, enabling customers to select from an array of fonts that resonate with their preferences. Extend this flexibility to encompass a palette of vibrant colors, empowering buyers to personalize their chosen designs. Consider offering the possibility of incorporating custom quotes, allowing customers to infuse their personalized messages or phrases into the designs. By providing this bespoke customization opportunity, you enrich the buying experience, catering to individual preferences and fostering a deeper connection between the buyers and your creations. Elevate your offerings by embracing customization, turning each purchase into a bespoke masterpiece tailored to the buyer's vision and preferences. Bonus tip. Once your venture gains traction and you start reaping the rewards, delve deeper into Kittle's offerings by exploring its premium features. Consider the leap to a paid plan, unlocking a treasure trove of additional design elements and enhanced mock-up options. Evaluate Kittle's premium tier, meticulously examining the exclusive design elements, mock-up selections, or advanced tools it offers. Assess whether these premium features align with your creative vision and further amplify the quality and appeal of your designs. Marketing. Craft an intense marketing strategy by curating engaging content across diverse social media channels. Harness the visual allure of your wall art quotes to captivate audiences and entice them to explore your Etsy store. Explore collaborations with influencers, tapping into their reach and credibility to expand your shop's exposure to a broader audience. Etsy management. Sustaining momentum and vitality within your Etsy shop necessitates a proactive approach to shop updates. Continuously breathe fresh life into your offerings by fostering a culture of innovation, perpetually introducing new designs that captivate and enthrall your audience. Remain attuned to customer preferences and market dynamics, discerning emerging demands and trends. This strategic expansion broadens your shop's appeal, attracting diverse customer segments. Timely and efficient handling of inquiries and orders fortifies your shop's reputation, nurturing positive customer experiences. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.